Welcome to Kevin's European Garage, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the alignment that I just got on my 1999 Porsche 911 996 over here. So if you're new to Kevin's European Garage, thank you for watching. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you plan on subscribing so you can get updates about what I'm doing over here. So I finally got my car aligned, and the numbers were really bad. And I knew that was going to be the case because I had replaced all those suspension components. But my one real issue that I have over here is if you go into my rear and you go into the camber. So the initial was 1.5 degrees on the left and 2.6 on the right. The way that my tires and the suspension is right now are so low that my left rear, if I hit a bump hard enough, it will rub. But my right rear doesn't, and the reason is because of the camber. So they tried to make the adjustment to try to bring it out to about 2.5 or so. That didn't happen. They got this side went out to 2.9, but the left side went out to 1.8 degrees. So with that, I'm going to have to get some adjustable rear lower control arms so I can make this work, and I can get this adjustment right. So it looks like that's going to be my next purchase, is going to be for those rear lower control arms. I might look at doing the upper control arms, the dog bones, but those being adjustable, they become a solid, you know, like a Heim joint. I'm not too sure if I want to have that in my suspension for a car that is my weekend car, and you know, I'd like to have some sort of comfort. I know those can be really stiff, so I don't know if I'm gonna necessarily go with those. So it looks like it's just going to be the lower control arm, and I might end up doing a GT3 style setup. So I'm gonna have to start looking into that next. So thanks for watching Kevin's European Garage. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like my video, and please ring that notification bell so you know when I'm coming out with some more videos. And hopefully we'll see you soon.